What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a beginner's guide on how to make your Windows PC, laptop, notebook much faster, and how to save disk space, all for free, without needs of commands, without needs of doing complicated things that never works, using only official tools from Microsoft Corporation, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in our choose internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress, okay? Navigate to your start menu from Windows, okay? And right here we're gonna open the Microsoft Store, okay? This go right here. Into the upper bar called Search Apps, Games, Movies and More, we're gonna type PC Manager, okay? Just like this. And here is the guide that we are looking for, PC Manager, Microsoft PC Manager. Review the name, okay? This app is from Microsoft Corporation. Do not install any app from other developer. It's the official app from Microsoft. Click on Install button. Say yes. The time that it takes to be installed can change according to where you are located, your internet connection, okay? But normally it's really fast, okay? As you can review. I will not cut the video so you can see the process. And you can see how simple and fast it is. We are installing. Now we're gonna click on Open. And in this app we have some amazing things. The very first one is this one right here, PC Boost. All we have to do is click right here. Can you see we have almost 1 GB about temporary files. So if I click on Boost, can you see? We have low and we are using less memory because Windows it's doing a performance setup on our computer, or for free, all from Windows, so the ones that knows more. Now click on storage, for example, explore it. We can do a deep cleanup. We can scan all of the files of your computer, of our HD, and scan things much better than Windows do by default. In fact, I don't know why this is not on Windows by default, but it is. And here what they found. There is a lot of files. We have cache. We have temporary files. So we can select the ones that we would like to remove and click on proceed, and they are cleaning it for you. So we are saving more disk space. Once again, I will not cut the video so you can see. Into this process, we have freed 1.4 GB of disk space. If you go to performance, you can see virus and threat protection, Windows Update, default browser settings, track bar, restore default apps, and pop-up manager. And when you need to clean up your site, when you need to clean up your computer, when you need to set things up, you always can come back right here and do a scan. We have manage large files options, storage sense, toolboxes, and some apps. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, let me know into the comments if you like it or not, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com with amazing tutorials, ideas and many more. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All